How to check search volume of a keyword using Semrush. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. So first, if you don't have a Semrush account and you want to get started, make sure you go down to the description to get yourself a 14-day pro trial instead of the usual 7. So again, just click on the description and you should get started for free. Now, once you actually sign into Semrush, all you need to do to get the search volume of a keyword is very simple. There's actually two different ways. One for specific keywords that you want. So if you have a specific topic, for example, ergonomic chairs for back pain, then in that case, you want to go to the SEO tab here, hover over it and scroll down until you find the keyword overview tool. Simply click on that and you just want to add your keyword in here. Then you simply select a location because it could be different from one location to another, and click on search, and that is going to show you your keyword specifically and show you the search volume of it. Now I'm just going to jump to the other method as well. So this is going to be for more bulk searches. If you don't really have a specific keyword that you're looking for and you just want to know in general, you can just go to the SEO tab and go to the keyword magic tool. Now this time you don't really want to search for specifics, you want to search for a base keyword. So for example, like we just used before, we're just going to look up ergonomic chairs and that's it. So once you hit search, you are going to be able to find plenty of different keywords here. So each keyword is going to be shown the volume next to it, as you can see. So this is going to be pretty much what you want to track, but you also have a lot of other filters here that can help you. You have volume search here. You can just go and search for specific numbers that you want to be looking for, and also keyword difficulty. Either way, you're going to be always find your keyword in here and you're going to find the volume here next to it. So yeah, this is pretty much the two different ways that you can use. Again, keyword overview for specifics and keyword magic tool if you just wanted to find in bulk, basically. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.